Today, Johnny is riding his FZ09. We're gonna get some fuel. I got a fun place to take you guys today. You're gonna like it, I hope. Yeah, we're gonna get some sandwiches today. Why not? When's the last time we had a sandwich on this channel? It's been a while. Johnny's sneaking up to my right. What are you doing over there, buddy? The 91. See you out on the trails, buddy. Another direct hit. Johnny, how are you today, sir?
Good, man.
Johnny, you know where we're going to today?
Nope, I never know.
You're getting quick. When's the last time you had a good sandwich?
If I had a wrap yesterday at a sandwich shop.
You had a wrapped in your ass.
Jesus.
Tone it down, son. You're gonna get demonetized. That's not a sandwich. Sandwiches belong in buns. You had a white man's burrito. Where'd you go?
Larry's Deli in Irvine.
I don't know Larry.
Guys, I don't know him either.
Well, we're going to Mr. Pickles today. You know about Mr. Pickles?
I've been there once.
Did you like it?
I don't. It's been like 5 years, man.
Mr. Pickles. Yeah, Mr. Pickles. Unfortunately, the rest of the country outside of California has probably never heard of Mr. Pickles. But no, it's a sandwich spot. I'll tell you more about it in a little while, man. Oh, what do we got? We got a guy. A lot of chrome on that dude right there. He's trying to get away from me. I'm not gonna let him. So as you guys already know, Johnny is a hot sauce fanatic. So let's do this, man. I know there's a lot of hot sauce fanatics out there. You guys have a hot sauce in mind that you think Johnny's gonna, or it's gonna put him out of his misery, send it to my P.O. box and we'll have him sample it on some of the stuff he eats. Yeah? Yeah. Send him some shit that's gonna knock him out. That way you guys all get a hand in trying to torture Johnny with me. I'm coming through. The dog's shitting all over the sidewalk. Oh man, come on, dude. Maybe get a little race going with Johnny, huh? Don't run into me. And no cheating. I had a shitty start, so did he, and I still got him, I think. I'll let you guys be the judge. What is that guy looking at?
Want a white lighter?
He claims that bike's so fast, but I don't know, man. Proof's in the pudding. This old school GSXR 750 just put the whipping on that 900. You saw it too. Johnny, I don't have high hopes for you. Let's go. Got him again. This bike's 12, 13 years old, man. I hope you feel shame, Johnny. I hope you feel shame. For all you guys out there thinking you need like the latest and greatest bikes, you don't. Traction control, ABS. This bike has none of that, and you don't need it. And as far as I'm concerned, that's gonna make you a shitty rider, relying on all those electronics. Should we get him again? Should we put the hurt to him a little bit more? I think we should. Should I just troll him and let him win? Feel better about himself? All right, let's do it. Oh, he's gonna cheat? I'll let him cheat. I don't know, that was close. You should race that guy. You want to race? You might have a chance. He sucks. People make the funniest faces when they turn. Yeah, that was a nice one. Last one. I'm on a roll, man. I can't lose. He's gonna be mad, dude. I'm pretty sure I'm marking up his bike. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Mr. Pickles. First Mr. Pickles was established in 1994 in San Mateo by a Frank F. I'm not going to say his last name because I'm just going to butcher it, and I don't want to do that. This dude deserves respect. So much respect that I should have learned his last name, but I failed. You know what? I'll try to say it. At this light, I'll try to say it. Frank Fagundes. Frank Fagundes. That sounds right. Frank started off when he's young, real young. I think he was like 8 years old, dude. He was interested in the sandwich business. He was working at the local deli down the street, picking up stuff, sweeping the floors, cleaning the toilets. And from there, that's when he knew, man. He knew that's what he wanted to do. He wanted to open up a deli. From then on, man, that dude, all the way up into high school, bounced around to the different delis and restaurants in the area, learning the business. I mean, this dude put in the work, right? The American dream, Mr. Frank. The American dream. Should I make Johnny feel better about himself? All right, Johnny, let's go.
Why?
For all the money in the world, right here.
Right here.
This will erase all your losses if you win right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trolling him. He doesn't even know it. He doesn't even know it. Johnny wins. So Frank eventually got out of high school and continued following his dream. He's gone on to open about 50 locations, most of them being located in Northern California, and in fact all of them being located in California. So you out-of-staters, I am sorry. Anyway, that's all I got, man. Here, Johnny, do something interesting. He's like looking at it like he's looking in the mirror, checking his hair. I missed you. You know where it is, right? It's right there. Mr. Pickles. Mr. Pickles. Remember when Albatross was here? Dude, that place is so good.
So good. The California burrito there?
Yeah, I never had anything shitty from there.
No. Yeah, but after like the stabbings and stuff, I guess they shut it down.
Didn't a dude die like right there?
Yeah, they had like a security guard and stuff, but even then, people were still getting fucked up.
I think 2 people died here.
Yeah.
Well, one died here and the other one died at the hospital. All because someone like cut in line or something like that.
Yeah, it was over like nothing.
Johnny, Mr. Pickles.
Fantastic.
Good quality food right there. That was a good sandwich. We got Tom's Turkey, which was the turkey club, and their French dip, which they're notorious for. We got chips and a drink. You got water. They gave us 2 cookies, which came out to a total of about 25 bucks. Kind of expensive for a sandwich, but it was good.
Yeah.
I think you said it when we were inside. You can't even get a decent sandwich anymore for under 10 bucks.
True.
Out of the 2 sandwiches, which one did you like?
I think the French dip was better.
French dip?
They were both amazing though.
I'll be back, man, and I do encourage you, if you guys are out in the area, check out Mr. Pickles. All right, Johnny, I'm out. Catch you later. Good riding with you. Enjoy.
All right.
Fun day riding around with Johnny. It's a good dude. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Hit the notification bell while you're at it. Otherwise, YouTube won't tell you I'm releasing videos. Much love to all the Patreons of the channel. You know who you are, man. Love each and every one of you. You guys help me keep it going. Thank you. Let's not forget, support the channel partners. They help me out tremendously. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, look at them first. All right, guys. Later. Oh God, that's so gross. Oh, I just sneezed in my helmet. I need a new one now. Oh, I haven't done that in a long time.